Welcome to Crypto Profit Club, your go-to place for all things crypto. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned trader, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the basics of cryptocurrency. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what crypto is, how it works, and how you can get started. Let's jump right in. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Blockchain technology is the backbone of all cryptocurrencies. Imagine a digital ledger that's open to everyone but can't be tampered with. Each transaction is recorded in a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the name blockchain. This technology ensures transparency and security, making it nearly impossible to hack or alter the transaction history. Bitcoin's creation was a response to the financial crisis of 2008 and the perceived failures of the traditional banking system. By offering a decentralized alternative, Bitcoin aimed to give individuals more control over their money. Its transparent, secure, and immutable ledger provided a new way to conduct transactions without relying on intermediaries like banks. As more people became interested in cryptocurrency, the market saw the rise of numerous other coins, each with its unique features and use cases. For example, Ripple focuses on facilitating fast and low-cost international payments, while Cardano aims to provide a more secure and scalable platform for smart contracts. Polkadot, another notable project, enables different blockchains to interoperate and share information, creating a more interconnected ecosystem. Ethereum, launched in 2015, introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into the code. This innovation expanded the possibilities of a blockchain technology beyond simple transactions, enabling the creation of decentralized applications, dApps, that runs on the Ethereum network. To buy cryptocurrency, you'll first need to create an account on a reputable exchange. The registration process typically involves providing your email address, creating a password, and verifying your identity by uploading a photo of your government-issued ID. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds using a bank transfer, credit card, or other payment methods supported by the exchange. After funding your account, navigate to the trading section of the exchange. Here, you can select the cryptocurrency you want to buy and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Review the transaction details and confirm your order. The purchased cryptocurrency will be credited to your exchange wallet, which you can then transfer to your personal wallet for added security. Hot wallets are convenient for frequent transactions because they are always connected to the internet, making it easy to send and receive cryptocurrency. Examples of hot wallets include mobile wallets, desktop wallets, and web wallets. However, their constant connection to the internet also makes them more susceptible to hacking attempts and malware attacks. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are not connected to the internet, which significantly reduces the risk of hacking. Examples of cold wallets include hardware wallets and paper wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline, while paper wallets involve printing your private keys and public addresses on paper. Cold wallets are generally considered the safest option for long-term storage. When choosing a wallet, consider factors such as security, ease of use, and compatibility with the cryptocurrencies you plan to store. Many users opt for a combination of hot and cold wallets to balance convenience and security. For instance, you might keep a small amount of crypto in a hot wallet for daily transactions and store the bulk of your holdings in a cold wallet for safekeeping. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crypto content. Securing your crypto assets involves more than just choosing the right wallet. Always use strong, unique passwords for your accounts and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security. Be cautious of phishing attacks. which attempt to trick you into revealing your login credentials by impersonating legitimate websites or services. Never share your private keys with anyone and store them in a safe, offline location. In addition to securing your accounts, stay informed about the latest security threats and best practices by following reputable crypto news sources, and by staying vigilant and proactive, you can protect your investments from potential threats. Crypto trading can be an exciting way to profit from the market's volatility, but it also comes with risks. Before you start trading, it's important to understand the basics of market analysis and trading strategies. Technical analysis involves studying historical price charts and patterns to predict future price movements, while fundamental analysis focuses on evaluating the core value and potential of a cryptocurrency based on factors such as its technology, team, and market demand. There are several types of trading strategies, each with its own risk and reward profile. Day trading involves making multiple trades within a single day to take advantage of short-term price fluctuations. This strategy requires a lot of time, attention, and quick decision-making skills. Swing trading, on the other hand, involves holding positions for several days or weeks to profit from medium-term price movements. This strategy is less time-intensive and allows for more flexibility. For those who prefer a long-term approach, HODL involves buying and holding a cryptocurrency for an extended period, often years, in anticipation of significant price appreciation. This strategy requires patience and a strong conviction in the long-term potential of the cryptocurrency. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in multiple cryptocurrencies can also help spread the risk and increase your chances of success. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, and it's not uncommon to see significant price swings within a short period. Factors such as regulatory news, technological advancements, market sentiment, and macroeconomic trends can all influence the price of cryptocurrencies. It's important to stay informed and be prepared for both the ups and downs of the market. One of the key advantages of cryptocurrency is its potential for high returns. Early investors in Bitcoin and other successful cryptocurrencies have seen substantial gains over the years. However, the market's volatility also means that there is a risk of significant losses. Always invest only what you can afford to lose and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term price movements. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, new trends and innovations are constantly emerging. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is one of the most exciting developments in the crypto space, offering a wide range of financial services such as lending, borrowing. DeFi platforms leverage smart contracts to automate and secure transactions, providing users with greater control and transparency. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are another groundbreaking innovation, enabling the creation and ownership of unique digital assets such as art, music, and virtual real estate. NFTs have opened up new opportunities for creators and collectors, allowing them to monetize their work and participate in a global, decentralized marketplace. The increasing adoption of cryptocurrency by businesses and institutions is also a positive sign for the future. Major companies like Tesla, Square, and MicroStrategy have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, while payment processors like PayPal and Visa have integrated. Additionally, some countries are exploring the development of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, to modernize their financial systems and enhance monetary policy. As you embark on your crypto journey, remember that education is key. Continuously seek out reliable information, stay updated with the latest news, and engage with the crypto community. There are numerous online resources, forums, and social media channels where you can learn from experienced traders and investors. By staying informed and making well-researched decisions, you can navigate the crypto space with confidence. You can also officially join the Crypto Profit Club for coin recommendations and more updates. Links are in the description. Scams are unfortunately prevalent in the crypto world, and it's important to be aware of common tactics used by fraudsters. Ponzi schemes promise high returns with little to no risk, but they rely on new investments to pay returns to earlier investors. Eventually, the scheme collapses, leaving most participants with significant losses. Fake ICOs, initial coin offerings, are another common scam, where fraudsters create a fake project and solicit investments under the guise of a legitimate fundraiser. Always verify the authenticity of any project or platform before investing your money. Phishing attacks are another threat, where scammers impersonate legitimate websites or services to trick you into revealing your login credentials or private keys. Be cautious of unsolicited emails, messages, or links, and always verify the authenticity of any communication before taking action. Use official websites and double-check URLs to ensure you are not being redirected to a fake site. In conclusion, the world of cryptocurrency offers immense potential for innovation, financial inclusion, and personal empowerment. By understanding the basics of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and the various ways to buy, store, and secure your assets, you can confidently take your first. Remember to stay informed, practice good security hygiene, and approach the market with a balanced perspective, considering both the potential rewards and risks. If you're just starting out, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Do your own research, stay updated with the latest news, join crypto communities, and start small. It's a learning journey, so be patient and don't rush into anything. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in navigating the crypto space. That's it for today's video on the basics of cryptocurrency. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who might be interested in crypto. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.